Getting your F150's stance tuned just to your liking can be a bit hit or miss, given how much certain spacer or coilover kits lift your front end. If you just want a smidge of extra ride height for your F150's rear end to try and get a perfectly leveled stance or to help you tow, then this rear block kit from Halo Lifts is the way to go. This kit gives you options for 2-inch, 2¼ or 2½ inch rear blocks, which provide very slight gains in rear lift to help adjust for front leveling kits that may have given your F150 a little too much height on its front end. At the rear end of the truck, start off removing the wheels for access to the rear shock and spring. We removed the rear shock completely since we were upgrading it at the same time as the block, but you can get away with only removing the lower mount if you are keeping your current shocks. For safety reasons and to make the install easier, place a jack stand underneath the rear axle for support. Then evenly remove the 4 nuts on the stock U-bolts to be able to remove the lower plate holding together the rear leaf pack to the block and axle. Once you lower the rear end down with your jack, you can remove the U-bolts and stock rear block from the truck. Replace the block with your new part from Halo Lifts and be sure to align the pins into the axle and leaf pack for proper alignment when raising up the rear end. With the block in place, set in the new U-bolts over the leaf pack and reattach the bottom plate to the new U-bolts. Place a washer and nut onto the 4 ends of the U-bolts and evenly tighten them down. Since our U-bolts had too much extra length for our liking, we cut off the extra length that we didn't need. This step is completely optional. Now that our U-bolts are completely tightened down, we replace the shock back into the truck to complete our install. We chose a Fox replacement, which the link can be found in the description below along with the Halo Lifts block. Our new set of wheels and tires were the finishing touch to this suspension upgrade, and the link to our entire hunting truck build can be found by clicking the Projects tab on our website. Head on over to stage3motorsports.com for all your F150 aftermarket needs, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest deals and updates.